Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make churros in an air fryer. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees F and prepare a piping bag with a large star tip. Heat water, butter, and a pinch of salt, then stir in flour until a smooth dough forms. Let the dough cool slightly before whisking in eggs one at a time. Pipe churros onto parchment and air fry until golden and crisp. Begin by making the dough on the stove until it forms a ball that pulls from the pan. Transfer to a bowl and beat in eggs until glossy and pipeable. Pipe churros onto parchment cut to fit your air fryer basket, spacing them so air circulates. Lightly spray with oil so they brown, then air fry until deep golden. Roll hot churros in cinnamon sugar immediately and serve with chocolate dip. For best texture, use a large star tip to create ridges that catch cinnamon sugar. Avoid overcrowding the basket so each churro crisps evenly and flip halfway if needed. If you want filled churros, pipe a small seamless ball, cook, then inject dulce de leche or chocolate using a thin nozzle. Keep cooked churros on a wire rack to stay crisp and serve immediately with warm dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.